The 1964 Dodge Dart 270 two-door hardtop, medium blue over blue, restored and updated, 225 cubic inch slant 6. So it's a goer. Upgraded A904 automatic, upgraded suspension, and another one with front disc brakes. So that's some of our new arrivals this week.
That's a compact car that's probably the size of most what they call full-size cars these days.
Isn't that the truth? I mean, it's funny when you rent a car and they say full-size and you look at it and you go,
Hyundai Sonata?
yeah, that doesn't look very full-size.